Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. Quick shout out to everyone watching the video today. Definitely appreciate all the support. Make sure you mash that subscribe button if you have not already. All you newbie viewers, make sure you stay until the end. We'll be revealing our free ebook, as always, the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. It has all our best kept secrets and strategies, tons of facts, and some key things you'll be able to know, or that you'll need to know rather, to make some money in the market. So make sure you take advantage of that, and we'll make sure that you stay to the end because we'll tell you how to get it. I don't want to waste no more time. We'll jump right in. Quick article, real quick, guys. As always, when I see something interesting, we like to break it down for you guys in here. So the new Galaxy S10 has support for cryptocurrencies on the device. There was like a leak. It basically showed that users can do a couple of things. They can transfer existing crypto wallets or create a brand new one, which is pretty cool. It will show embedded cryptocurrencies wallets basically right there in your phone. You can create a new one with Samsung blockchain key store is basically what it's called. So that's neat that you can either bring over an existing one, create a new one from scratch on their blockchain key store, and that's pretty neat. So there's another leak back in December that implied that the new S10 will be able to include a wallet app with like a couple different parts, a cold wallet for like storing crypto and your private keys as well, and then a hot wallet for like transactions and shit like that. Um, we both know that basically if Samsung's going to start taking this leap and embedding things like this into their phone, and having new tech in their flagship phone, because this is their number one phone, the S10. Other big phone companies are going to follow suit. That's the copycat shit that always goes on. Will definitely boost mainstream adoption, is basically my point, and awareness for cryptocurrencies, because Samsung's a huge multi-billion-dollar company, and now they will have the cryptocurrency wallet embedded into their flagship phone, which is the Galaxy S. Um, I think I read it was going to be released the February 20th. Don't quote me on that. Read the article here I got in front of you. There's like a 10-year anniversary of their Android phone lines. So the S10 is like the anniversary of the 10 years that they've been doing this Android style phones. So check that out. And we're going to jump into Bitcoin real quick. As you guys can see, we're still ranging. I don't care what chart you pull up. We're still in that range here between here and here. You can look at it here. No, I'm sorry. You can look at it on Tether. Here or here. It's the same thing. Ranging between these two areas here. Okay, so since this one's marked already, we're going to use Coinbase. As you can see, stayed at the bottom, wicks to the bottom, wicks to the top, came down about $20 from the range, came back up, topped out, came back down, topped out. At this point, guys, I can see it's slightly getting squeezed. If you look here, you see a slight downtrend from body to body, and a slight uptrend from body to body. Here. So it could be squeezing inside this range more and more with wicks high and wicks low, as you can see here. But I'm not going to trade until I see one of these ranges broken. You can make it a little higher if you want. It doesn't really, nothing's for certain. It just needs to break these tops here. You see how all these wicks, the wicks mean nothing. When it comes to breaking this range here that it won't come out of, that's when it's a safer trade to take place. And if it can find a home up here and finds new support here that was resistance, that's when a lot of these trades that I'm looking at over here are going to start making a lot more sense. Because right now, as you can see, we're starting to head south, which is never good. There's a few things to look at on the 4-hour, which is a more accurate chart than the 2. We are below all of the MAs now. I told you yesterday we were trying. We came below, we came above, came below, reached the 50. The 50 has pretty much been our ceiling. The 50 MA here represented by this purple line. It's a moving average. So this has been our ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections. Finally, it came to the downside, and now we are up and under with a nice bearish candle up and under the 20 MA. And everything is pointing down. We got the 20 MA pointing down, the 50 MA pointing down, the 100 MA pointing down, the 200 MA pointing down, which is never a good sign. We have a big drop here with a bunch of consolidation. We could see another leg like this come into play. Another $500 leg. Will it be that fast? I don't know. I'm going to have to see it break outside the wedge and outside this area here for me to want to look at a position in Bitcoin and look for safer positions in the other crypto that I have marked to the right here. So keep an eye on this range, guys. Don't make this confusing. Stick to the rules. If you're margin trading, you can be bouncing off these walls, sell, buy kind of thing. Very risky. You trade just on the lower charts if you want to see a closer image of what could be happening. You can start moving stuff around if you want. Totally up to you. Like so. To get a kind of a more accurate picture of what's happening right now. Like I said, a break on one side or the other is going to tell us a lot more, but the MAs are kind of pointing to the downside. I mean, you can even pull up, an RSI and see what that's doing right now. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, guys, I'm not going to go through all that right now. But as you can see, we're squeezing inside. We're hitting tops and the bottom of this range, whether it's a wick to the upside, whether it's a fake breakout. I mean, you're seeing this big bearish. This is a huge bullish candle right here. It'd be a lot better if this was green, but I mean, it's still an entire huge wick to the downside. Met this area of a situation over here where there's a lot of confusion and consolidation. Completely slammed back to the upside. Another huge bearish candle here, followed by two bullish candles. So we're just whacking, going back and forth like a tennis match. So, I'm not going to play the walls. I want to wait for Bitcoin and show me what it's really going to do, and then we're going to go from there. Get these MAs out of here. But you can see what's kind of happening here. Lower highs and higher lows. So wait for it to break out one side or the other, and we'll talk about taking more positions at that time. But for now, you can see, it's just completely range bound between the $3,500 and $3,600 region. So until tomorrow, guys, make sure you go down in that description area below. It's the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT, and that's like YouTube. Click that button, get your free ebook, guys. There's a lot of good information in there. Take advantage of it while it's free and while it's available. Cody Sperber is going to give you a lot more information. Once you click that link, you'll see everything I'm talking about. He goes into a lot more free value, a lot more free information that he's going to send you. So make sure that you take advantage of that. We place it at the end of each video, but it won't be there forever. So make sure that you take advantage of the free value now and the offers, the free offers that Cody has for you. And he'll tell you all about it. Cody Sperber, the clever investor himself. So take advantage of that. Click that link, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow on the next Bitcoin Breakdown.